everybody, my name is Mishka. Today I am going to teach you how to make a book. So first we fold the page very straightly at the point. Well, whenever you are a child, have a grown-up to help you to fold the page. It could be more difficult than I thought it could be folding the pages. But just do it very slowly. Try your best to make a book. Pause the video if this video is getting faster. So we fold this again like a big long rectangle. You see that? It looks like a big long rectangle. After that, just make it like this, You see, it's like this. Now, you open it in the fourth. Now, this is the open side. Don't go to the open side before it looks nothing like it. Then after that, get a scissor. That we cut it slowly, but not too fast. And you see, you cut it in this part. Now, you did like this. After that, can you see this part? Just fold this part in here, and then you straightly do like this. Now you make that a big rectangle again. Now it just looks like a mouth. After that, make it straight, and then slowly make I think it's that side part. Slowly make this straight book. You see, it looks like a book. And there's 6 pages there. You see? And that's how it looks like a book. See? It's a nice book, right? So, we are making some cute eyes with the books. So let's see how it just looks like. So first, we start with a big round eyes. 2 big round eyes. You see these? Now, after that, make one is a small ball and one is a big ball. After that, we're going to color it. You see, we are going to color it very gently. If you do it so fast, it will be like some kind of a scribble, you know. So gently do it. Then you see, it looks like this. See, it looks like adorable eyes. And then you do the same thing in the other eye. Now you color it. When you color it all, I will show you what's the next part. So let's see how much. You see, it looks like this. It looks more different. Yep, in the other eye. But that looks adorable. In the next one, we are doing the mouth. So we are doing the red pen. So we do it like this. So let's do, you could color something like blue color. And inside the book, you can draw something like, draw some flowers or face. You could do anything. And do remember, paint this as well. Or just use some felt tips or colors, you know. So next bit is the eyes thing, you know, like this. Like it's meant to be like that. You see, it just looks like the eye things, yeah. So, you see, it's a face. Now, next tip, if you want a color, you can color it. So, the next bit is, let's make some kind of like a story you could make. And first you do the drawing first and then draw it here. So let's see. So I'm gonna use this, okay? Let's see what story I could make. Like a Cinderella or the ant and the grasshopper. Let's make the ant and the grasshopper. So first we make an ant here. And then after that, make some eyes. And then if you want to make a cute eyes, you can. So I'm going to make some cute eyes again that I just made. And then the ears of the ant. You see, it looks like this a bit. After that, you make a mouth. And then you make this. You see that? And then you make this and this. If you want to color the ant, you can. So the color of the ant is usually brown or something else like black. Yes. And you see, can you see these round balls? It's the legs and the foot, yeah. And then we are going to draw a grasshopper. First, you make like this. You see that? After that, if you want to make like this, have you tried making like this before? It's just like that. Yeah. But you will see. Then make this again. Even dance have that like that. And then make a nice happy face. Then get like this. And then make like this. And make like this. And make like this. And make like this again. The grasshopper's legs have 6. Yep, it got 6. Yeah. You see, it's like this. It's a bit cool, yeah? And you can draw some sun there in the corner or that side. Make a nice one. You can draw some bushes or trees. You can make something else, yeah, that you think it's nice. I'm gonna draw a tree. Tree and some bushes. Now when you've done that, just write something. Maybe you could do writing later if you want. Or you can do writing later because it would be too boring for that. It would take for ages to write it. Like it could take for like 4. So, what I was talking about, so these scales are just going to write in the bottom very carefully. You could use a ruler to measure it for that, to write it nicely and clean. So, if you want to like make it like this, it's okay. But we usually make it straight. Or you could write some name in there, like by Mishka, very small and neat. And this is just like blah blah blah, and just write something like that. And after that, in the next page, you can just make something else, like mix. That's how you just make some paint like this. And this you could use that like make a flower in this paint. And this you could make it as like a grass. You can make a green paint, make like a grass.
If you like our video, you can subscribe on MishkaEasyCreations.